About an hour to the northeast of Mount Rushmore, you're going to find the granddaddy of all tourist traps. That's going to be Wall Drug. Though I will say, every mile or every 100 yards of that interstate is dotted by the famous billboards you might find all over the world for Wall Drug and how far away it is.
I knew almost nothing about the mythical Wall Drug. I just had to see it. And the promise of homemade donuts and the fabled free ice water were enough to pique my interest. So here I am.
In 1931, a guy named Ted Husted, a pharmacist from Nebraska, bought this place trying to find a good place to start a business, and it's been running it ever since. Well, to bring in business, his wife suggested, hey, why don't we start offering free cups of water to travelers coming in on I-90? And that seemed to do the trick. That, coupled with its incredible billboard campaign, has made this not anymore just a single store, but an entire town driven by this place, it seems. First impression seems like half this town is Wall Drug, the other half is free parking for Wall Drug. They boast about, 2 million visitors a year here, so I'm gonna go be another one of those 2 million.
Once you make it inside, you'll find all the shops are connected. There is plenty to do and see here. There's a large assortment of animal trophies and a collection of creepy statues. They have Zoltar and, of course, a hillbilly Zoltar.
Wait, what?
Some of the statues come alive with animatronic bands peppered around.
Just asked for directions of where the restroom was, and I was told it's back to the left by where Dr. Feelgood is. Is this Doc?
Wall Drug seemingly has everything you could hope for. Candy stores, gift shops, even this chapel. But I was getting hungry, so off to the restaurant.
Go ahead and tie up your horse to a hitching post outside, hop inside to the Wall Drug Cafe, grab your free glass of ice water before stopping to get, one of their most well-known dishes here. Both from online and also from their own signage. This is the legendary hot beef sandwich. About $14 or so. It smells great. It's good. Very huge.
The menu is simple, but hits everything you could want from a place like this. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, kids menu. It even has a wine list should you feel so inclined. But I was here for the legend. And how was it? In a word, delicious.
Look at what's name, absolutely legendary hot beef sandwich. All right, this place here called the Backyard. I'm gonna go look at whatever the Wall Backyard is, through the gift shops, of course.
If you head back from the main street, you'll eventually find the Backyard. It's another assortment of weirdness with statues and photo ops galore.
Well, Wall Drug even has Mount Rushmore, so saved me the trip going 60 miles. Good photo op. Ride the jackalope behind me there. I'm not gonna do it.
Past the shooting gallery and mining company, you'll find a T-Rex pen with feedings every 12 minutes. So I figured I'd stick around and see.
probably don't need to wait 12 minutes for that.
But my time was up and I had to get on the road, so back to the car.
All right, so the big question, is it worth the stop? I love all things weird, wonderful, and crazy like this. I'd say hole in the wall, but this is the most well-known hole in the wall I've ever heard of. Yeah, definitely worth the stop. If you are driving on I-90, you need to stop here. You should stop here. If you're in Rushmore, that area, drive up. It's worth the trip. I would probably go about, well, if you've never been here, I'd say 3 hours to get here. If you have before, 2 hours still. So it's definitely worth the trip. Grab lunch. I didn't even look at this other half of the street here, all this other stuff. So I did get myself a couple souvenirs, got my free ice water. I'm ready to head back onto the road.
So off I went, leaving the weirdness of wall drug behind me. But be sure that if I ever find my way up here again, you'll see me camped out with a free cup of ice water, a legendary hot beef sandwich, and a big smile on my face. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to see where I go next.